Hello my students, welcome to my channel. This is my first page and I want to say you something about our topic. We are going to learn today countable and uncountable nouns. But before that, I'm going to read you this page. One child, like you, one teacher, like me, one book and one pen or pencil can change the world. Don't forget it, okay? We can contact each other and we can learn lots of things on internet. Okay, let's start. Hello. Your first day of homeschool with me and lesson 1, countable and uncountable nouns. Hello. I'm going to teach you about countable and uncountable nouns. We can also these count nouns, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, and non-count nouns like water, grass, okay? So let's begin by first talking about what is a noun. Okay, do you remember what is a noun? What is a noun? So, a noun is a word that is a person. It can be a person. So, Özlem, that's a noun. Teacher, that's a noun too. It can be a place, like Turkey. Turkey is a noun. School. School is a noun. It can be an animal. A dog. Dog is a noun. The word cat is a noun. And it can be also a thing. For example, a marker. Yes, the word marker is a noun. Okay? And it can be a feeling. For example, happiness, sadness is a noun. In this case, a noun is a person, a place, a thing, an object, an animal. There are many things that are nouns. And what is not a noun? For example, an action. Imagine we have got lots of verbs. Sleep, think, eat, walk. Yes, they are actions. So it cannot be a noun. And descriptions. When I say descriptions, you can understand I describe a noun with an adjective. And prepositions, like the word on, under, okay? A noun is like I said before, one of these things. So, in English, there are lots of nouns, and it can be a person, place, an animal, and lots of things like marker, bed, mug. Yes, they are nouns. Well, actually, first let's do something together. Let's underline, yes, underline nouns in these examples. Let's start. My first sentence, this is my first sentence. My first sentence is Canada is a large country. So let's underline the nouns here. Well, Canada is a place. So we know Canada is a noun. Is a verb. so it cannot be a noun. Large, it describes something. It describes country, so it's an adjective description, so it cannot be a noun. And country is a place. This is also a noun. And what about second sentence? My teacher is funny. Teacher is a person, so this is a noun. Funny is a description, and it's an adjective. It's not a noun. Okay, the last sentence is, the dog and cats are friends. The dog. So we have dog here, and it's an animal. Cats. Cats are nouns, and we have the word here, friends. The word friend is also a noun. Okay, so these are what I underlined with pink. Okay, all nouns. In English, let's look at here. In English, we have two types of nouns. We have countable nouns and we have uncountable nouns. I have to clean for the next page. Thanks for waiting. Look at the other page. We are going to start with countable nouns first. Yes? The first one is countable nouns. So the first thing you need to know with a countable noun is, when we have a countable noun, we need to put a or an in front of the noun. For example, I have a dog. I have a computer. I have a lamp. Or we need to put an in front of the noun, before the noun, because it starts with vowel. Yes? An apple. I have an apple. Or I have an orange. Like that. Got it? I think you can remember. So the second thing you need to know is, we can count them. Okay? So we can often can be counted. For example, I have a book. This is one book. Yes? And I have two books or three books. So you can count books, and it is a countable noun. Yes, book. Okay, I'm going to change the color. This is our noun, and we can count our noun. And we can, if we have got only one book, we can say a book. Or if we have got more than one, you need s. Yes, here like that. Okay, I'm going to change the color. And then we put the numbers before the nouns. And these are countable nouns. You can count books, and it's a countable noun. I have 5 dresses. These are all countable nouns. If we have more than one countable noun, for example, I have 3 sisters, we need to add s after the noun. Okay, I have got 3 sisters and I have got 5 bags, like that. And we need to add an S, and this one shows us that there is more than one. And also, we don't need this in front of the noun anymore. Okay. And then in English, there are some exceptions, and we haven't got, okay, we haven't got any plural forms, okay, like fish and sheep, and I have got lots of examples about it. Okay, I can say 5 fish, or I can say I have a fish. I can say my grandmother lives on a farm and she has got 3 sheep, and we haven't got any S here because it is exceptions. If you have more than 1 ship, and you have to say ship again, okay, not ships and not fishes, okay, there are some exceptions. Okay, let's look at the other page. Thank you for your waiting. Okay, I have got some nouns here, and I want to talk about which one is uncountable noun and which one is countable noun. So let's start to practice. English. English is a noun, right? Yes, of course, it's a noun. Okay, English is a noun. Can we count English? Can I say I have a English? No, I can't. Or can I say I have Englishes? Englishes? No. Yes, it's not correct. So, if you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it means it is uncountable. Okay? So, this one is uncountable. I'm sorry, a little bit difficult to write here, but you can understand. Uncountable. We cannot say Englishes or a English. Look at students. Student is a noun, and can we count students? For example, I'm your teacher, right? And can I say, please, 5 students come here? Yes, of course, I can count the students. Okay, for example, 5 students. Okay, we have to add S here, don't forget. So, I can count the student, so I say countable. Is it a countable noun? Yes, countable. Countable. Okay, look at the next one. Bottle. Okay. For example, in my bag. Is it countable or uncountable nouns? Let's look. I have got a bag, and in my bag there is a bottle. Can I say a bottle? Of course. I have got a bottle. Can I say bottle? A bottle. Yes, I can say a bottle. Or I can say like that. I have got 3 bottles of milk. Yes. Can you count bottle? Yes, you can count. So it's a countable noun. Countable noun. Good. Water. Water. Can we count water? 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters? It's not logical, right? Okay. So can I say a water? No. Can I say waters? No. Is it countable or uncountable now? I think it is, we cannot say S waters. No. We cannot say S waters. No. So it is uncountable nouns. Uncountable. Good. Look at cell phone. I think you have got cell phone. You have got a cell phone. Okay, if you are lucky, okay, or if you are lucky, you can have 2 cell phones. Can we count cell phones? 2 cell phones. Yes, of course, we can count. I've got 2 cell phones. She has got 3 cell phones, but I think she is not a lucky person, I think. Okay, this is countable. Look at the other one. What do you think about it? Countable noun. Yes, we have to, if we have got more than 1 cell phone, I have to add S here. Don't forget, it is so important. Shoe. I have got shoes. I've got 3 shoes, 4 shoes. I can count. Yes? And it is a countable noun. Countable noun. Countable. We can count 5 shoes, 6 shoes, and many times I can say I have got 3 pairs of shoes. We can use like that. Look at the other one. What about this one? Sadness, happiness, for example. Okay, they are feelings. Can we count our feelings? No. I have got a sadness. No, it is not logical. So if we cannot use as a countable noun, it means this is uncountable nouns. We cannot count feelings, our feelings, right? Okay, it is countable. Uncountable. Oh my God. Yes. I wrote wrong. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable. Look at coffee. I love drinking coffee. I love drinking coffee. Can we count coffee? 1 coffee, 2 coffees? No. If you cannot count, it means uncountable. Uncountable. Good. That's it. English, we cannot count. Water, we cannot count. Sadness, our feelings, yes, uncountable nouns. And coffee, we cannot count coffee. And students, bottle, cell phone, shoe, we can count all the nouns. Students, we can count. Bottle, we can count. Cell phone, we can count. And then shoe, we can count. Good. I think you can understand. Okay, I'm going to clean all the page for you because next page we have got another example. Yes. Let me give you some examples about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, chair or chairs, book, books, marker, markers, table, tables, shop, shops. They are uncountable. They are uncountable nouns. What about countable nouns. They are countable nouns. And what about uncountable nouns? Sugar, furniture, information, rain. Can we count sugar? Are you crazy? No, we aren't crazy, right? Furniture. What does it mean, furniture? Can you remember? For example, a bed. Yes? Drawer. A drawer. Yes, furniture. What's in your home? And what else? For example, table, chair. Yes? But furniture, we cannot count the furniture. Information, rain. Yes? They are uncountable nouns. But teacher, I am confused when we use many, much, some, any, little, few, when we can use all these words. Okay, quantifiers. For example, I have a trick for you. Here is very important because if you are confused, you can use the, some, any, a lot of, or lots of. We can use both with countable nouns and uncountable nouns too. We can use the chair, or the information, I can say. Some rain, I can say. Some books, I can say. I haven't got any sugar, I can say. I haven't got any markers, I can say. I have got a lot of books, I can say, or I have got a lot of furniture, I can say. I can say I have got lots of chairs, or I can say I have got lots of sugar. So if you are confused, you can use these words for countable and uncountable nouns, both. But teacher, what can we use for the countable nouns and uncountable nouns? We can use a, many, a few for the countable nouns. So if you have got only one for the countable noun, okay, I have got a chair in my office, for example, we can say. I have got many chairs, I can say, or I have got a few chairs, but I cannot say I have got many information. No, it is not correct. For the uncountable nouns, I can say much sugar, little sugar, a little bit sugar, okay? We can use countable nouns for these words, and we can say all these words for the countable nouns. We can use it, okay? If you want to write all these things, you can stop my video and then you can copy all these things on your notebooks. What is the next page? Look, some examples. Countable nouns. We can use, okay, is, are, or isn't, is not, or isn't, or aren't, with the countable nouns. Why? Because, for example, I have got a chair, okay? It is pink. So, chair is a thing. Yes, it's a noun. And chair is a countable noun because I can count it. I've got one chair, two chairs, 3 chairs, 4 chairs. Yes, we can use is, are, isn't, aren't for the chair. So if you have got only one chair, we can say it is pink. The chair is pink. Or if you have got more than one chair, for example, we use are. Chairs, my chairs are pink, I can say. Or it isn't pink. My chair isn't pink. Or my chairs aren't pink. But what are they? It's a. We can use only one thing. So it should be a singular form and I have to use is. Noodles, look at this is s. Yes, we add s after noodles. It means there are it is more than one. So I need plural form of be. Yes, there are some noodles. We cannot use a because it is more than one. Okay, so some noodles. There are lots of things. Look at this is as. It means it is plural form. We have to use are because it is plural. Lots of things. Some, lots of, we can use, okay? And milkshakes. It is plural? Yes. So we have to use are. But teacher, we have got not here. Not. Can you see? Not. It means negative. So we need any here. If you have got not in the sentence, we have to use any. Or if you have got a question form, yes, we use any. Look at these pancakes. Is it singular or plural? Yes, it is plural because we have got s here. So it means it's a question form. Are. We use are at the beginning of the question. Are there any pancakes? It is plural. We use are at the beginning of the sentence because it is question form. These are countable nouns and we can use is or are for the countable nouns. Why? Because if we have got only one chair, on one bed, one pen, we say my pen is broken. Or if we have got more than one pen, we can say my pens are broken. Yes? Or it isn't pink or they aren't pink. We can say for the countable nouns. What about uncountable nouns? What can we use as to be? Okay, let's look at the uncountable nouns. Look, wow, can you pay attention about this quantifiers? Some, lots of, any. Yes, they are the same. Because I am so confused, teacher. I cannot remember which one is for the countable nouns, which one is the uncountable nouns. So we use some, lots of, any for both nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Let's look. You can see all the verbs is. Why? Because it hasn't got any plural form. Look at here. Can we count Jews? No. So it should be a singular. Yes, it should be a singular because we haven't got any plural form of Jews, singular. Why it is singular? Because we cannot count the Jews. Sauce. Can we count the sauce? No. So we have to use is. Can we count the salad? No, we have to use is. And water. Do you remember the first page or the second page? We have got an example about water. So it is uncountable, 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 so we have to use is. Okay, and it's a question, we use any here. Okay, there is some juice, or there is lots of sauce. There isn't, it is da 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 dum. It is negative and we need any. Is there any water? It is question, we need any. And why, teacher, why is here? Because it is a question form. Okay? That's it. I think you can remember the topic, countable and uncountable nouns. Some, any, okay, when we use any, when we use some, lots of, etc. Look at the other page. Yes, I have got a practice for you. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions and sentences. We have to match. Okay? Let's look. Yes, there is some. Okay. We have to pay attention is. Why? Because it is singular and it can be a thing or it can be an uncountable thing. Uncountable noun after some. It should be come. So there is some, but some, it is more than one. It means so this is uncountable. We have to add, we have to match with an uncountable noun. Noodles, is it a countable noun? An uncountable noun? Which one? We have got S here, so it means countable. Soup. But there is a question form. So can we match? No, because it's not a question. Pasta. There is some pasta. Have we got S here? Can we count pasta? No, it is uncountable. And then, yes, we found here. There is some pasta. Yes, okay, we did it. There are lots of. We have got are here and we need plural noun. Plural noun. Okay, there are. Is it a positive, affirmative sentence? Yes. So we don't use any for this example, and we need plural form of the noun. Burgers and noodles. We have got two plural forms of the nouns, but this is question. Is this question? No. Yes. So there's only one option. There are lots of burgers. Are burgers. Plural, plural. Okay, we did the second one too. There aren't. It is negative and we have got two any here. How we can find the difference between them? Look at the nouns. Bananas and milk. Which one is countable? Which one is uncountable? Because if we have got an uncountable noun, we cannot use are because we cannot count and it hasn't got any plural forms. So there is only one option. There aren't any bananas because it is uncountable and we have to use with milk is or isn't. Yes? Let's keep going. There aren't any bananas. Bananas, plural and plural. And any for the negative form, it can be matched. There isn't. Yes, we have got one more negative sentence. And there is only one option with any. And is it singular? Yes, because we cannot count milk. Good. There isn't any milk. Is there any soup? Question mark. or noodles? Which one is the singular form of the noun, noodles or soup? Yes, soup is the singular form. Because we haven't got any plural form of soup, we cannot count it. So it is is. Is there any soup? And look at the other question form. Are there any noodles? Why we use this? Yes, you say, yes, last one, it is so simple, teacher. But okay, look, are. Is it plural? Yes. Noodles. Is it plural? Yes. Is it a question? Yes. Is it a question mark? Yes. So we can match it. If you want to do again, I'm going to clean. I'm going to rubbing out all of them. And I am waiting. You can stop it now and you can write on your notebooks and then do this activity on your notebooks. Okay? I think it's okay. You can stop my video and then write on your notebooks and you try to your best. What about next page? No. Yes. Thanks for watching. This is our Cookie Monster, right? Okay, I love you, my boys and my girls, really. I love you so much. And until next time, take care of yourself. See you. Bye.